If you want to whiten teeth in GIMP quickly and naturally, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple, non-destructive method that lets you remove yellow tint, brighten the smile, and keep everything looking realistic. This is perfect for portrait edits, social media photos, thumbnails, or any image where you want a cleaner, more confident smile without making the teeth look fake. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy editing tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your image in GIMP and take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Before we edit anything, the safest thing to do is duplicate the layer. So right-click your main image layer and choose Duplicate Layer. This gives you a copy to work on, which means you can make changes without damaging the original photo. That way, if you want to back off the effect later, you can always reduce the opacity or compare it to the original. Now that we have our duplicate layer, the next step is selecting the teeth. For this, use the Free Select tool, also called the Lasso tool. You can find it in the toolbox or simply press F on your keyboard. Once it's active, zoom in close to the mouth. A quick way to do that is to hold Control and scroll your mouse wheel. Zooming in makes it much easier to trace accurately around the teeth. Carefully click around the outer edge of the teeth. Try to stay just slightly inside the teeth rather than too far out, because if you grab too much of the gums or lips, the whitening adjustment can affect those areas too. Take your time here. The cleaner your selection, the more natural the result will look. When you've gone all the way around the teeth, connect your final point back to the starting point to close the selection loop. Once the selection is active, you're ready for the color correction. Next, go up to the top menu, click Colors, and then choose Hue-Saturation. This is where the magic happens. In the Hue-Saturation dialog box, you'll see different color channels across the top. Click the Y circle, which targets the yellow tones specifically. Since yellow is usually what makes teeth look stained or dull, reducing it will help the teeth look cleaner without stripping away all their natural color. Now look for the saturation slider. Move it to the left to reduce the intensity of the yellow tint. A good starting range is usually somewhere between -40 and -60, but every photo is different. The goal is not to make the teeth pure white instantly. You want to remove the unwanted yellow cast while still keeping a believable look. If you push it too far, the teeth can start to look gray, flat, or unnatural. After that, while you're still in the same hue saturation window, find the lightness slider. This is what helps brighten the teeth a little more. Drag it slightly to the right, but keep it subtle. In most cases, a small adjustment between +5 and +10 is enough. If you brighten too much, the teeth can look overexposed and artificial, which is usually a dead giveaway that the image has been edited. Small, careful changes usually give the best results. Once the teeth look clean and bright, click OK to apply the effect. At this point, you should already see a noticeable improvement. But before you call it done, take a second to deselect the area. Go to Select and then choose None, or use the shortcut Shift plus Control plus A. That clears the selection line so you can inspect the photo properly. Now zoom out and look at the full face. This step is important because teeth whitening should blend naturally with the rest of the image. If the effect looks too strong, don't worry. Go back to your Layers panel and lower the opacity slider on the duplicate layer. That lets you blend the edit more naturally with the original layer underneath. Sometimes even a small opacity reduction makes the whole edit look much more realistic. And that's it. You've now whitened teeth in GIMP using a simple, non-destructive workflow. The best part about this method is that it gives you control. You can make the teeth brighter, remove yellow tones, and still keep the person looking like themselves. That's the key to good photo editing, enhancing the image without making it obvious. If this tutorial helped you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, photo editing tricks, and beginner-friendly software guides. And if you want, I can also show you how to whiten teeth even more precisely using masks, feathering, or a more advanced GIMP workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.